June 3rd, 2009. I'm now in the Prague subway system. It's called the Metro. I just got a ticket for 18 korunas. They don't have euros here in the Czech Republic. I had a wonderful day today. Started off with a tour of the Jewish quarter. Very interesting with my guide Richard. Very knowledgeable, and then had a nice lunch in the oldest kosher restaurant of Prague called King Solomon, pretty much across from the Jewish cemetery in Prague. Then I had a nice boat ride on the Vltava River. After that I headed across the famous historic Charles Bridge and walked to the other side of the river called Mala Strana, the lesser quarter, and oh god, now I have to find my way of where I have to go. Then I took the funicular up to Petrin Hill, where there's a little mini Eiffel Tower. And then I had a nice dinner just now at Villa Richter at the foot of the castle hill, so it's been great. Anyway, I gotta go to a museum right here, so I think that's on the right hand side. Let's see. Gotta ask somebody. Oh, isn't this interesting? Wall decoration. Gotta ask somebody. Excuse me, is this for a museum?
No, this is for the...
No, you have to go...
Yeah, to...
That way?
Yeah.
Museum? Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. See? I knew I was wrong. Okay, so hopefully I'm right here. I like this wall decoration here. This is very different. I've been reading that the subway system in Prague was built, I think, from 1967 on, and it has 55 stations. And it's very, very efficient. Let me double check with another person here. Let's see. Excuse me, does this go to museum? Yes? Okay. Alright. Very good. So, at any rate, hopefully I won't have to wait too long. I'm signing off from Prague on June 3rd.